Alright, y'all, so we packing the car. I mean, car and stuff. Oh, y'all want me to turn the car on? Y'all hot? Yeah. Why y'all in the car right now? We getting ready to leave, y'all.
Your water on the table.
So y'all just fit real quick. Fit check, make it fit quick. So yeah, fit real quick. Y'all, so we made it to the hotel. Y'all, look at this. Look at the car. Look at the look at the Cybertruck though, y'all. I'm gonna take a picture with it. I ain't gonna even hold it. What's the next car I'm getting?
Chain bit my fault.
That's just like a private pool or what? I don't know.
I like this side better. Ain't nobody else here.
Yeah, that's the side we had went to. I was like, I don't see nobody. I don't know if they out here. Y'all, look at this. I'm gonna show y'all the front. I mean the inside. Alright, come on, y'all.
I need some.
That's my career right there. We done got off the yacht and digest and everything, so we got hungry a little bit. Everybody getting their good snacks in before we hit the club, hit the nightlife. See what Miami talking about. Yeah, what we here?
To the streets.
Okay.
To bed.
Not facts. To bed. Where we headed to the bar?
We're going to a mysterious location.
How much is this location? Alright, y'all just wait to find out. Speed walk, Leah, speed walk. Speed walk, Leah, speed walk, speed walk. I'm hollering. Yeah. Bro, you played too much, bro. I thought we had another ticket. That was gonna be our third ticket.
I was gonna say,
bro, no, bro.
They gonna be like, yeah, she.
Yeah, we finna head to the mysterious location right now.
Look. Oh, nice.
So I'ma see y'all.
I left my purse here.
When we get back, but when we reach the location of the mysterious spot, cause yeah, we got a whole little night planned tonight. So just stay tuned. It's 1 in the morning.
Wait, why did you say that? I ain't know.
It's 1 in the morning, y'all. 1 in the morning. And yeah, we finna get this shit started. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't miss another motherfucking video. Turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss a single motherfucking post.
She said what she said.
And I said what the fuck I said. Bleep that the fuck out. You heard me? Alright. But yeah, just wait. We just made it here. It's 1:45, y'all. I forgot what time I showed y'all. I think it was like 1:10, something like that. But yeah, y'all, we just made it. We got a Mario over here asleep. I ain't gonna count. I'm ready to go back to the room. Take my ass to bed, bruh.
We should have said something.
I'm ready to go to bed, man. But yeah, y'all, we made it here. Yeah, this is it.
See how we went up.
This looks like a bunch of old folks. This looks like a bunch of old folks, y'all.
Don't feel freaky. One person, I'm sorry.
They good.
Okay.
Yo, he just came and put his whole head up in the windshield so he could see who the fuck is in the car, bro.
He knew the one.
Nah, for real, cuz. Like, I'm glad I caught that shit on camera, bro. Yo. He said, don't feel freaked out. Or, what, bro?
He said, don't feel freaky.
Yeah, don't feel freaky. I'm like,
why wouldn't I, bro? You just put your whole head.
yeah, you just put your whole head right there, bro.
Far from the glass.
Like, you might as well just did this and put your hands onto the glass and just look. Like, for real. So, yeah, we at a whole different location right now. Because the other one, it was just too... It wasn't nothing going on, y'all. So, we just switched locations. We going to the place that we went to for brunch yesterday. So, oh, shit. Can't leave them. But, yeah, y'all, we going to Voodoo Lounge. Yeah, the food was straight there, but it wasn't all that. I mean, they was upcharging and shit, but hey, it is what it is. We're in Miami, that's what it come with, right? So we're gonna see how this lounge, if it's really popping and shit. So yeah, we're waiting on the recipe. What's up, y'all? I can't talk too long, but yeah, we finna get ready to go, y'all. My SIM card full, so I can't really be too personal with you, you feel me? But yeah, we getting ready to pack up. We check out in literally 1 minute. So, oh, this car, bro. This car. What's up, y'all? So I realized as I'm editing this video that I did not close it out while I was in Miami. I was in Airbnb specifically. So I want to let y'all know that we are doing a Miami part 2, August 15th to 18th. If you are in interested in becoming a travel ambassador, go ahead and comment Miami on this YouTube video, and I will reach out to you. Comment your Instagram or comment your TikTok, and I will reach out to you as soon as I can, because we are filling up the spots very, very fast. So make sure y'all hurry and comment Miami on this video. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss a single banger, because I'm gonna upload the rest of these videos. Y'all can see everything that we did in Miami, how lit it was. And this part 2 is gonna be even bigger and better. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all follow my social medias down below. Y'all can click on the link in the description. And yeah, let's turn up, y'all. Come on.